The Khasi Authors Society (KSA), comprising the writers and authors belonging to the Hinyo-Trep community of Meghalaya, observed the Literary Day to mark its 41st year of Foundation Day. A program was organized at the Uso Sotham Auditorium in Shillong, where the Meghalaya Arts and Culture Minister A.L. Hek was the chief guest and the chief executive member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, T. Khan, was a guest of honor. The books titled Kasor Shillong and Khon Samla Bat Longkme Longpa, written by Kidbor W. Nongrum, Kisor Meeng Kari Snam, authored by Andrea Sun, and Ki Jinkintip Nakakotba by Harmless Milliam Umlong, were released by Mr. Hek. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Hek spoke about the coexistence between the community and its language. He said, the community lives as long as its language is in existence. Mr. Hek also said,
Kinum ada di jalan tertil. Lada kita do A, do D, ni kita do A, do D, do D. Ni kuat betul ke way, ke mana ke way, ke kedian, ke mana ke bala, ke mana ke mana ke jisro, jisro tu bagla, ke jisro ke jogi, dan ke jisro ke jogi. Dan kalau muda, kita semua bagakti jogi dengan kabus pak, nak ke pos, ke pos. Tu pun ada benda, tu ke pos, ke juk benda, mengikik pagi pasuk ke pos, ke sekolah tersi. Ila pak di sekolah paling. Lagi kali we aim dalam tipsu. Lagi kali we uji dalam tipsu. Kali ek dalam tipsu. Hangnu ni don ke norem ban penduspa elektrisi.
Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, T. Khan, assured the members of Khasi Authors Society to extend assistance for improvement of Hinyo-Trep language. Khan said that the Union Ministry of Home Affairs has inquired from the government about the Hinyo-Trep language, which needs an appropriate reply. He said,
Natai kisana ibang iay si siem iay dia berfirm kasih iman. Terlase nang disyafat buat yang di jimpisya ni ruling tadi ki order. Rasa adalah boleh datin kasih natrai kani kan kamera. Tingin sampai beniak yang ini bentar karena bukan long mau ka way yang lebih buat terus pak ya katin besuni kenapa apa ngomong mengaom mana apa im datin aja beliau ke im.
The president of Khasi Authors Society, Dr. D.R.L. Nonglad, informed that the demand for inclusion of the Hinyo-Trep language in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution has received significant consideration from the Government of India. After the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly passed a resolution for inclusion of the Hinyo-Trep and Achik languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, he said that the KSA, along with the people of Hinyo-Trep community, paraded through the streets of Shillong demanding the Government of India for recognition of the Hinyo-Trep language. Dr. Nonglad also said,
Jong the hawk kata, apa jong the beri Hinyo-Trep. Hal pasang minat tantian kinkot, le hadu minta, inong thok berapa ni sobat kini keseng, iladan hadu, she spotlight pasangan. Khasi Authors Society, lembaga hitrei jongga, kelamaian sepang, bagminta kadan hakisin jam kibat kampan bat. Hamdan Jikaman. Lembaga Rai dan resolution yang kami Meghalaya Legislative Assembly pada apa Hinyo-Trep yang naik yang senang ahli jalan kakran lapenong yang Khasi Authors Society dan Literary Society kebalang kon kisah dia sama jom diwaipat kijalan. But lembaga jong ketika resolution jong Meghalaya Legislative Assembly yang ke Khasi Authors Society but yang ke Achik Literature Society la penong no Kom ki literary society bala Christian bat bala kito dan sarkar.